Good morning, students. Today we have to learn about what happens to an acid or base in water solution. When acids or bases are mixed with water, then what happens? So, for explaining this, here is a one activity given. So, here is a activity. Take a one test tube. Okay. Add sodium, that is NaCl. NaCl which is a present in a solid form also. Okay. Now add dropwise sulfuric acid. Why we add dropwise sulfuric acid? Because sulfuric acid is a very dangerous acid. When we add directly, it blasts. Okay. Lots amount of heat is generated. Even it breaks the test tube. इतनी ज़्यादा हीट जनरेट करता है कि टेस्ट ट्यूब भी ब्रेक हो सकती है. सो दैट्स वाई वी यूज़ वेरी केयरफुली विथ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. ओके. नाउ what happened? Then the gas is generated out of the delivery tube. Which gas is generated now here? Which gas is generated after adding? The gas is generated, this is the chlorine gas. Which gas is generated? Chlorine gas. Now we have to check this gas evolved successively with dry and wet bulb litmus paper. Now here is a, see, this is a litmus paper. We have to check this gas with the help of dry litmus paper and wet litmus paper. In which case the litmus paper changes color. So in wet, when we use a wet litmus paper, there is color change, or when we use a dry litmus paper, the color is changed. So the color is changed in case of wet litmus paper. In case of wet litmus paper. Okay. Now let's see here. Here is a test tube. Okay. Here is a test tube. Add sodium. Solid sodium. Now add with the drop of sulfuric acid here. Okay. We have to check the gas which is evolved with the help of litmus paper, both with a dry litmus paper and with wet litmus paper. When we use a dry litmus paper, then no any hydrogen ion is produced. ड्राई लिटमस पेपर यूज़ करेंगे तो नो एनी रिएक्शंस. बट व्हेन वी यूज़ अ रेड लिटमस पेपर, देन इट टर्न्स टू, when you use the wet litmus paper, then the blue litmus is turns to red. When we use wet litmus paper, then blue litmus is turns to red. That is, this is a indication of the acid. This is a indication of acid. Why only wet litmus is indicate there is a presence of acid? Because the hydrogen ions which is present in acid, because the hydrogen ion which is present in acid are produced in presence of water. Only when it is where only when the water is present, then only it show the presence of hydrogen ion. वाटर के प्रेजेंस में ही वो अपना इंडिकेशन शो करेगा. ओके. दैट इज इन केस ऑफ वेट लिटमस पेपर. And the separation of hydrogen ion from any acid, HCl, we take HCl here, cannot be occur in absence of water. Absence of water में वो occur नहीं होगा. Now here hydronium ion. So what is mean by the hydronium ion? Hydronium ion means it is a aqueous cation. It is a aqueous cation. That is, it is H3O plus. That is, it is a H3O plus. So here hydrochloric acid when react with water, then it will get the hydronium ion plus chlorine ion. We can say that H plus or H3O plus both are same. H plus or H3O plus both are same. Hydronium ion means aqueous cation. So here is our activity. There are the gas is liberated out, and is a wet paper, and this blue litmus is color changes into red. That is, it is a presence of the acids. So only in presence of water there is separation of H plus ion from HCl molecule. जब पेपर वेट होगा तभी H plus ion का इंडिकेशन मिलेगा. ओके, नाउ हियर in case of base, that is NaOH, sodium hydroxide, it is dissociated into Na plus aqueous and OH minus aqueous. Okay, now the hydrogen, see here, the hydrogen ions cannot exist alone, but they exist after combining with water molecule. See our page, see here, hydrogen ion is combining with water molecule, will get the hydronium ion, and हाइड्रोजन आयन कैन नॉट एग्जिस्ट अलोन. हाइड्रोजन आयन अलोन एक्सिस्ट नहीं होते. हाइड्रो वाटर के साथ कंबाइन होके हमें मिलेगा हाइड्रोनियम आयन. नाउ इन केस ऑफ बेस, सेम NaOH when dissociate we will get the Na plus aqueous and OH negative. Here is OH negative ion. Now acidic and basic solution in water conduct electricity because they produce hydrogen and hydroxide ion respectively. Acidic produce H plus ion and basic produce OH ion. Both are responsible for conduction of electricity. See, HCl is react with water, it will get the hydronium ion and chlorine ion. NaOH is dissociated with the water, it gets the Na plus ion and OH negative ion. Both are responsible for generation of electricity. Now, acidic nature of substance is due to the formation of H plus ion in the solution. Acidic nature कैसे find करते हैं हम? Due to the formation of H plus ion in the solution. And basic nature कैसे form करते हैं? Due to the formation of OH ion in the solution. OH negative ion in the solution. Now, here are the more example for basic. KOH, that is, it is a common, it dissociated potassium hydroxide, we will get the K plus ion and OH negative ion. Okay, now here are some. The process of dissolving an acids or bases in water is highly exothermic. Exothermic means what? The process in which heat is released. Means exothermic. See here, if we take any beaker, add some sodium crystals and add a sulfuric acid drop wise. Why we add the drop wise here? Because sulfuric acid is very dangerous acid. Okay, and when we add directly sulfuric acid from here, then it may be like blast and our beaker is break. इतनी ज़्यादा हीट रिलीज होगी कि हमारा beaker भी break हो जाएगा. So that's why into water, if the beaker carrying water, we add ड्रॉप वाइज सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. ड्रॉप वाइज हमें ऐड करना है, डायरेक्टली यहाँ से ऐड नहीं करना है, अदरवाइज ये ब्लास्ट हो जाएगा. एंड बीकर ऑल्सो ब्रेक बिकॉज tremendous amount of heat is liberated. Now next topic is how strong are acids bases solution. How strong the acids and bases solution. Let me clear first. If any acid, we take example HCl. If any acids is a dissociate, we will get H plus and Cl minus. So here maximum amount of H plus are present. That means there is a strong acid. That means there is a strong acid. Same in case of base. We take an example of NaOH. It is dissociate, we will get Na plus and OH minus. While dissociation, we will get maximum amount of OH ion. We will get maximum amount of OH ion, means it is a strong base. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अमाउंट एसिड H प्लस मिलेगा तो वो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड रहेगा. एंड most amount of OH negative, that means it is a strong base. Now here we can do this by making use of the universal indicator. Now we have to just read it out. We know how acids and bases indicators can be used to distinguish acid and bases. Okay, we already learned about this. Now about universal indicator. What is mean by the universal indicator? Universal indicator is nothing but the pH. Universal indicator is nothing but the pH. So what is pH? pH means what? A scale for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in solution is called as a pH. What is a pH? pH means it is a scale. It is a nothing but a scale measuring hydrogen ion pH is a measuring the hydrogen ion concentration. pH scale means measuring the hydrogen ion concentration. So here is a pH scale. First of all, pH means what? pH means negative logarithm of the base 10 of the OH negative ion. pH means a negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration of an aqueous solution. क्या होता है pH means? Negative. This is the important definition of pH. This is important definition for pH. Negative logarithm of the hydronium ion concentration of an aqueous solution. Okay. Now pH is the measure of acidity or basicity of solution. pH क्या measure करती है? Whether the solution is acidic or basic, ये हमें mention करती है. pH scale is range about total C 7 from 1 to 7 and 7 to 14. 7 is a neutral, here is a acidic and here is a C. This is a total pH scale. Here is a 7, here is 14, here is acidic and from 7 to 14 is basic. Okay, and 7 is a neutral. 7 is a neutral. The pH scale ranges from 1 to 14. 1 through 6 being acidic. 1 से 6 तक क्या होता है? Acidic होता है. And 7 is neutral. 8 to 14 basic होता है. 8 to 14 क्या होता है? Basic. Now pH is always is a way to measure how acidic or basic solution is. pH से हम क्या काउंट करते हैं? Whether the solution is acidic or basic. Low pH value means if the pH is 5, if the pH is 4, then it is acidic. If the pH is 9, 10, then it is a basic. Then it is a basic. pH measure the concentration of the hydrogen ion. pH क्या करता है? मेजर द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन आयन का क्या करता है? कॉन्सेंट्रेशन मेजर करता है. नाउ here pH scale range from 1 to 14. Now here is a proper formula for pH. Negative logarithm of hydronium ion. Negative logarithm of the hydronium ion. See, this is a pH is a negative logarithm of the hydronium ion. See, the scale is from ranging from 1 to 14. From 8 to 14 is a base, 7 is a neutral, 1 to 6 are acids. 1 to 6 are acid. Now see, this is a pH scale. So pH of the human blood is 7.5. ह्यूमन ब्लड का pH कितना होता है 7.5. बेकिंग सोडा pH इज 8.5. डिटर्जेंट pH ऑफ डिटर्जेंट इज 10, दैट इज इट इज़ अ बेसिक. ब्लीच pH ऑफ ब्लीच इज 12.5, इट इज़ ऑल्सो बेसिक. रेन का pH कितना होता है 5.5, मीन्स इट इज़ एसिडिक. वाइन, द pH ऑफ वाइन इज 4, that is it is also acidic. Lemon juice, pH of lemon juice is 2, that is it is a highly acidic. It is a lemon juice is a highly acidic. Okay, and one more thing, the gastric juice or gastric juice, the pH is a 1.9. Gastric juice, the pH of gastric juice is a 1.9. Okay, now see this table, it is here. The increasing concentration of H plus ion, that is it is acidic in nature, and in decrease in concentration of H plus ion, that is whether concentration of H plus ion it is decreases, that is a basic nature, that is increasing OH minus ion here, and it is a increasing H plus ion. From 7 onward here it is acidic, from 7 onward here it is a basic. Here is a concentration of OH minus ion is more, here is a concentration of the H plus ion is more. Okay, now up to this we have to stop here. Now in next class we will discussing more about pH and what are the concentration, what are the dilution. I will tell you in next class.